Zelda, what are you doing? You want to go in the barrel? Think you're being a bad Burby. Going in. Going into the barrel. I don't think you'll get back out. Go in there. That's where humans keep their candy. You're getting really weird. Can you fit your tuchus in there? Oh, there's your tuchus. I don't want to see your tuchus. Uh-oh. Get in there. You gonna make a nest out of that barrel? You're gonna have a bourbon bird. Make some fine cockatiel bourbon. Get in there. Do it. You can do it. Get down in there. How low can you go? Come on, Zelda. You can fit. Go all the way down. It's in the barrel! A barrel bird! Okay, where did Zelda go? Where did Zelda go? I don't know. Where did Zelda go? Zelda! You're stuck in there! It's stuck in the barrel. Maybe. I think she's enjoying it. She's a weird one. Oh my gosh, Zelda. Oh my gosh. You're being really weird, Zelda. Coming back out? Was that fun? Was that fun? You chimkin. You weirdo. I see you, Floopa. Look at that Floopa. I see a lot of floop. Uh-oh, Zelda. Was it worth it? Did you find meaning, purpose to your teal life down in there? I hope you didn't poo-poo on our candy in there. Going back? It is going to submerge into the barrel. Get in there, Zelda. You are so weird right now. Go in your nook. Your new barrel nook. Okay, Zelda. I don't know if you can be trusted. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zelda.